In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the Outlook navigation icons back to the bottom left in classic Outlook. If your mail, calendar, and people icons have moved to the side of the Outlook window and you prefer the older layout, this is a simple setting change in the classic version of Outlook. Before we begin, it's important to know that this option is only available in classic Outlook. If you're using the new Outlook experience, this layout cannot currently be changed in the same way. To get started, open Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, go to the top left corner and click File. This will take you into the Outlook settings area where you can adjust how the app looks and behaves. From there, click Options. A new window will appear with several categories listed on the left-hand side. In that window, select Advanced. This section contains more detailed settings, including interface and navigation preferences. Now scroll down until you find the Outlook pane section. Take your time here because this setting can be easy to miss if you scroll too quickly. In the Outlook panes area, look for the checkbox labeled Show Apps in Outlook. If that box is currently checked, click it once to uncheck it. Disabling this option removes the app bar from the side and allows Outlook to return to the more traditional navigation layout that many users are familiar with. After unchecking the box, click OK to save the change. At this point, the setting has been updated, but you may not see the full result until Outlook is restarted. Go ahead and close Outlook completely. Make sure the application is fully closed, not just minimized, and then open Outlook again. Once Outlook restarts, you should see that the calendar, mail, and people icons now appear at the bottom left corner of the window instead of along the side. This confirms that the setting was applied successfully. If you don't see this option at all, that usually means you're using the new Outlook version where this adjustment is not supported. In that case, there isn't currently a built-in way to move those icons back to the bottom left. And that's it. That's how to restore the bottom left navigation icons in classic Outlook quickly and easily.